With ElectroBlocks, you can make LEDs blink. To get started, delete all the blocks inside the loop, go to Add-ons, LED, and grab the LED block and put it inside the loop. I'm going to set mine to use LED pin 7 and to turn on. Next, go to Time and grab the Wait For block. Then right-click and duplicate the LED block and put it under the Wait For block, this time turning it off. And then right-click on the Wait For block and put it as the last block inside the loop block. Click play to see what that does. That looks great to me. To upload the code, go to the Arduino page, click on the Upload button, select your USB device, and click Connect. Let's make more than one LED blink. Go back to the home page, right-click on the top LED block and click Duplicate and put it under that LED block. Then change it from pin 7 to pin 4. Do the same thing for the bottom LED block. And then let's click play. They're both blinking on and off. I like it. Go to the Arduino page, click on the Upload button, select your USB device, and click Connect. Alright, let's go back to the home page. I've got a challenge for you. The challenge is to make an alternating blink pattern. So when LED 7's on, I want LED 4 to be off, and when LED 4 is on, I want LED 7 to be off. Go ahead and try that. Give that a good 5 or 15 minutes, and I'll show you how I'll do it in the next section. Alright, hopefully you're able to do that. If not, no worries. So this is how I would do it. When LED 7's on, I want LED 4 to be off, and when LED 7's off, I want LED 4 to be on. Let's see what that looks like by clicking the play button. Alright, that looks really good to me. To upload the code, go to the Arduino page, click on the Upload button, select your USB device, and click Connect. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or feedback, let me know. Circuit diagrams are at the bottom of the video with step-by-step instructions. We have a Discord page where we'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Look forward to hearing your feedback in the video, and I will catch you all soon.